Meaning of home unit.
Home unit.
Home unit.
Home unit.
Home unit. The term home unit can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In real estate, a home unit generally refers to an apartment or flat that is part of a larger complex or building. It may also be used to describe a residential property that is owned and occupied by a single family or household. In some cases, home unit may even refer to a modular or prefabricated home. Overall, the term is most commonly associated with housing and residential properties, particularly those that are located within a larger complex or development.